Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. I'm Bree the Coupon Queen, and today I went to Dollar General to take advantage of their $5 off 25 spend on Gain products or Gain scented products. So let's dive in. So for the Gain deal, the deal is on the Dollar General app. You're gonna clip the coupon to your store card, which is linked to your cell phone number. So the deal is get $5 off when you spend $20 or more on Gain or Gain scented products. So to start, I got some Gain, instead of the detergent, you can do the Gain detergent or you can do Gain fabric softener. I got the fabric softener instead because I don't have that much and I have plenty of detergent. So I wanted to stock up on the fabric softener. They are on sale $3.95. There's also a $2 off on the Dollar General app as well. The next product I got is the dryer sheets. They are the 34 counts of the dryer sheets and they are only $2. We also have a $2 off coupon for those, so that product winds up being absolutely free. The next product I got is the Swiffer Wet Jet Refills, and they are Gain scented, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner. They are Gain scented. So every product that you get has to make sure that it has the Gain logo on it. If it's Gain scented or if it is a Gain product, then it'll work on this deal. So you've got to make sure you're very careful with that. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Swiffer Wet refills because I didn't have a duster kit. If you do have the coupon and your store does have the duster kit, not the refills, the kit, so it has to have the wand in it, and again it'll have that Gain logo. Those are $4.50 as well, but again my store was out of the Dollar General that I went to, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of these Swiffer Wet Jets. They're also $4.50 each, and then there is $2 off app coupon, and then there was a $2 off printable coupon that I had clipped. So those are the 2 coupons that I used for that. The next product I got is the Mr. Clean Clean Freak. I had a buy 1 bottle get the refill free coupon, and again they are Gain scented on the bottom. It's listed there. So the bottle was $5, the refill was $3, and then I went ahead and used that buy 1 get 1 coupon, so the refill wound up being free, so that took off $3. So the total for this transaction before coupons winds up being $22.95. Then you take off the $5 off 20 coupon. That's gonna come off first. So it comes off kind of weird in Dollar General. When you look at your receipt, I have a picture shown here. You're not gonna see at the bottom where the discounts are and the coupons, you're not gonna see a $5 off coupon. It's gonna split it up amongst all the products. You're gonna see 65 cents here, 25 cents here, 66 cents here, so on and so forth. But it will all add up to $5. So that's something a little different that you want to kind of keep track of. So then after that, plus all the coupons for the deal that I did, it wound up being $7.95 for all of these items. So we got 6 items, including the dryer sheets, and it wound up being $7.95, so not a bad deal there. I went ahead and did an additional deal on Dove, just because I'm pretty brand loyal to Dove. They have really good products for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so I couldn't pass up on it. I wound up getting each bottle for about $2.24 each, so that was awesome. So the deal I did, they are on sale right now, shampoo and conditioner for $5 each. They also have an instant savings deal. When you spend $8 on any Dove or Tresemme or Caress products, you're gonna get a $2 instant savings. So right there brings the total down to $8. I also had a $1 off 1 printable coupon from coupons.com. I'm not sure if that coupon is still available. You guys can always go ahead and check. So that brought the total down to $7. Then on Saving Star, you have to make sure, this is a big warning disclaimer, make sure that you link your Saving Star to your cell phone for the Dollar General. So you wanna go in the app, link the card, then redeem, then check out. If it's not linked on your account before you check out, it's not gonna work. So that's something you wanna make sure you do beforehand. So on Saving Star, there's a $1.50 off of 2, which is great. So that brings the total down to $5.50. Then when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're gonna get 1,075 points, which is the equivalent to $1.70 back, or 7 cents back, sorry. So after all those savings, so it makes it a really, really good deal for Dove. You can't find these products that cheap, especially at CVS Walgreens. They're like $7 or $8 a piece. And then at Dollar General, they already started off at $5. So that was a great deal to start. So that's why I went ahead and picked it up. It brought my out-of-pocket a little bit higher, but I thought it was worth it. So there's a couple more freebies that you can do at Dollar General. Skinny Pop popcorn, if your store sells it, some do, some don't. The one I went to did not have it, but typically they are $1. There is a $1 off one in the Sunday newspaper ads, so that would be free once you use that coupon. For a couple couponers and YouTubers that I was looking at, they are doing another deal on the Kleenex 3-pack. They're the small 3-pack that kids usually do for back to school. It's usually on their shopping list. They put it in their backpack. It's kind of the travel size, but it's a pack of 3. So those are $1. There is a coupon on the Dollar General app, $2 off 2 packs of Cottonelle, Viva, or Kleenex. So some stores it is attaching, other stores it's not. My store it wasn't attaching, so I didn't go ahead and do that deal. But if it does, those will be free. So you'll get 2 3-packs of Kleenex travel size, great for back to school, and you'll get those absolutely free. So that is the haul that I did at Dollar General today. If you like the video and you have any other breakdowns or have any questions, please comment below. I will also do a printable breakdown of everything I did and a few other scenarios. If you don't want to get the Mr. Clean, there's a couple other scenarios you can do that wind up being less out of pocket. Just depends on what coupons you have and what you guys are looking for your family needs. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.